Thanks for watching the replay. Hello. Thank you for joining in. My name is Christina. I am with Chanson Water USA. We are a leading water ionizer and filtration company located in Laguna Hills, California. Today's topic is why bottled water may be harmful to your health. So let's get into it. Again, my name is Christina, and I represent Chanson Water USA. Hi, Mr. Clean. Okay, so we've all heard the environmental impacts that bottled water can have. So I'm not even really going to go into that today because we're going to be focusing on how it can harm your physical health because I think enough people are aware of the environmental impacts, which are huge. So number one reason why bottled water may be harmful to your health is the plastic bottles themselves. So we've heard of BPA and the toxicity that can cause. BPA is an endocrine disruptor, which has been linked to cancer. So I'm not saying that all bottled waters have BPA in them. However, it's my understanding that the industry developed at least a dozen other names for BPA. So even if you're seeing BPA free, it's a way to get around using that word. And there are other chemicals and toxins in plastic besides BPA that can actually leach into your water. So you may have heard not to leave bottled waters in a hot car. That is definitely true. However, it doesn't necessarily take heat to get the toxins leaching into the water. So whenever you're drinking out of plastic, you have to worry about that. Yes, the freezer can cause problems too. Thank you. So the number one reason is the plastic bottles themselves can leach toxins into your water. Second reason bottled water can be toxic to your health, or harmful, I shouldn't say toxic, is that it is not as strictly regulated as tap water. So there have actually been over 100 recalls of bottled water, and the municipal tap water is federally in America federally regulated to be at least 7 pH, which is neutral, whereas bottled waters, most of them are acidic, so which is not good for your health at all. So second reason why bottled water may be harmful to your health is that it's not as strongly regulated as tap water. And the third reason, which is huge, is that most bottled waters on the market have an acidic pH and a negative ORP. A positive ORP, which means that they actually create free radicals and they are acidifying to the body. So the body thrives at a slightly alkaline state, and whenever we eat or drink acidic substances, we are forcing our body to rely on its alkaline mineral reserves to process that substance. Most of us are not eating healthy enough to have alkaline reserves. Therefore, our body literally has to steal alkaline minerals from our bones, teeth, muscles, wherever it can find it, in order to process those acidic foods and liquids. So here we are thinking that we're choosing bottled water over other unhealthy beverages and we're doing a good thing for our bodies, but it may be just or almost as acidic as those sodas and sports drinks that you are avoiding, ironically. So I have a chart. I'm going to flip this around to show you. It's a little hard to see, but this chart details some of the common sports drinks, sodas, alcoholic beverages, and bottled waters, and the pH is that they represent. So the pH scale is a logarithmic scale, which ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. You want to be drinking things above a 7 pH for optimal health. And as you can see, most beverages on this chart are highly acidic. The difference between a 2 and a 3 is actually tenfold. It's not just 1 point. So a 2 pH is 10 times more acidic than a 3 pH. So it's kind of funny that drinking beer right here is 4.0 is actually less acidic than some of the popular sodas over here. And in this range, in the 5-6 range, we have some of the common bottled waters. And as you can see, if you are going to choose a bottled water, say you're traveling to Mexico or you're at the airport, you can't take water with you, your best bets are going to be Fiji water and Voss water. I've also heard Arrowhead isn't too bad, although it's not on this chart. However, ideally, you want to be drinking ionized alkaline water at an 8.0 to 9.5. So let me flip this around again. Okay. So, third reason why bottled water may be harmful to your health is the acidic pH and positive ORP, which means it can create free radicals in your body. So, to recap, there's 3 reasons. In addition to all the environmental concerns, the plastic bottles themselves can leach toxins into the water. Bottled water is not as strictly regulated as tap water, and many bottled waters contain an acidic pH and positive ORP. So rather than spending tons of money on bottled water, it's actually a better investment to get a high-quality pre-filtration system. I do not recommend the pitcher or faucet filters that you can find in the stores. Those are not going to give you strong filtration that you want. They mostly address the taste of water, not all of the contaminants. There's over 10,000 possible contaminants, and the average faucet and pitcher filter only addresses 3.5. So at Chanson Water USA, our website is chansonwater.com. You will find a variety of pre-filters that will address many contaminants, and the best part about them is that unlike reverse osmosis systems or distillation systems, they actually leave the alkaline minerals in, so you're not drinking that dead acidic water. You're drinking water that's been stripped of the contaminants but has left the alkaline minerals in. So if anyone has any questions, I will take those now. I appreciate you logging in and watching today. Next week's Water Wednesday episode will be around 2:30, and we will be discussing how a water ionizer can save you money. Again, my name is Christina. I represent Chanson Water USA, and you can find us at chansonwater.com. Thanks so much. Appreciate the hearts. If nobody has any questions, I will sign off. All right, thank you.